and welcome back to my studio. In this series that I'm doing to answer the question of what are the most important tools for ring making, this is the second part, and I wanted to talk to you about hammers. Hammers are very important when you make rings, and I get really attached to my hammers. I don't know what I would do if some of these hammers broke or disappeared. I've gotten that attached to them. They just probably are the most emotionally connected tools that I have. I know some jewelers say that the torch is what they feel connected to, but for me, I don't know if it's the beating out or like taking out your tensions on something that is so satisfying, or just the way that the hammer seems to impart my personality or my heart into the rings. I just really love my hammers. So I'm going to show you the hammers that I mostly use and what I use them for. So this is a nylon hammer, and this is what I use.